Hello patrons, it's me, Flylady Kat, and today we're going to talk about 40 days of Lent. Now you may or may not practice Lent, and that's fine. You can still do this. It's basically something I've seen one of our Flybabies share, and I've also seen it shared on Facebook, just in general. And that is that during Lent, which is from now till Easter, which is 40 days, not counting Sundays, that everybody takes a bag, a garbage bag of whatever size you need. If you have a lot of clutter and a lot of garbage, then you're going to do big garbage bags. If you don't have very much, just do a little garbage bag. But what we're going to do today, starting today, is go into the zone that you're in and gather up clutter, whether it be garbage clutter or giveaway clutter, put it in your bag, and if it's giveaway, take it to your trunk, because tomorrow on Thursday, if you're listening to this on a Wednesday, will be the day you take things to the charity shops. Okay, so if you have a lot of trash, then put it all in one trash bag. Just remember that at the end of this time, so in 40 days plus Sundays, that we're going to have 40 bags gone out of your house. And so if you want to do this as more of a religious experience, you can do it in a sacrificial manner. In other words, after you've done your morning routine, your basic weekly plan, and your zone, whatever you were doing in your zone, then go in for another 15 minutes and do your sacrificial giving or throwing away. You can do this. If you don't want to do it as a religious expression, then just do it during your routine, when you're doing your zone, rather. Just do it then. So stay in your zone. All right, so let's say, for example, we are in zone 3 right now, the bathroom and one other room. There are so many things you can give away in the bathroom. Open up the cabinets. Do you have a curling iron that you don't use anymore? A flat iron that you don't use anymore? A hair dryer that you don't use anymore? Do you have products that you don't use that haven't been used that you can give away? You can take those to homeless shelters. Bars of soap, things that you don't like, candles. These things can be donated. So that would be your little bag for the day. Another day, you might want to look in your linen closet and say, wow, I've got a lot of towels. There's some really ratty towels in here, and I have enough junk towels for those painting days. So, and I have enough junk towels for taking care of my dog. So let me take the junky towels out and donate those to the local animal shelter. They're in need of those. If they are nice towels, not so junky, then you can give them away to charity. But don't give your junk to charity. Wouldn't you hate to be on the receiving end of that, a needy person, and you don't get a nicer thing, right? So we're going to give to the needy or give to the dog shelter or whatever. The same goes for sheets and linens and bedspreads and things people just would love to have that are sitting in your closet, taking up your precious space, making you have angst. Okay, let's go to another room. Think about what other rooms are, because in all the other zones we've already allocated what they are. The living room, the entryway and dining room. So the living room speaks for itself. The entryway and dining room, do you have a stairway? Do you have under stairway storage? Do you have a closet in the foyer? The dining room itself, do you have dishes that you aren't using, glasses that you aren't using, games that have stacked up in there for some reason? I don't know why that's coming to me, but I can almost see it. What's on your dining table? All right, then let's talk about zone, so that's zone 2, the kitchen. Hello, how many can openers do you need, etc., etc., etc. Let's look at your food. If it's not expired and you're not using it, how about giving that to a food pantry at your church, or some church that you know has a food pantry? So that could be your day's thing. The next thing would be zone 3, where that's the one I've already talked about. Zone 4, well, we're going to go back into it in a minute. Zone 4 is your master bedroom, master closet, master bathroom. Hello. Let's look under the bed, beside the bed, in the drawers, in the closet, on the floor, on the shelves, on the racks. What do you have that you can give away? The same in your master bathroom. Okay, next is zone 5, that's the living room. All right, so we've covered all the rooms except other. What does other room entail? Well, guest room, children's rooms. I know there's already a lot of stuff there, right? How about your craft room? You think you might have some craft things that you want to give away, or maybe you've got some fabric you've been holding on to forever that somebody would love to have. How about your office? What's in there? Do you have 2 hole punchers? Do you have 3,000 notebooks that you're not using? Do you have, things in there you could give away that are good things? Or do you have things that are broken that need to be thrown away? All right, next let's talk about the garage. Hello, that could take all 40 bags, right? So how about getting rid of some things in the garage? And I could go on, but we all know that there are plenty of rooms in your house that you could collect these things from. So that's what my challenge is for you this Lenten season, from now till Easter, not on Sunday, but every day, to gather 1 bag, small or large, depending on your need, and give it away or throw it away, and see how you're going to feel on Easter, emotionally, spiritually, and physically. Have a wonderful day, and always be beautiful, because you are beautiful. Bye.